Hello friends, today we are going to study here life processes in living organisms part 2. Asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms, body is made up of single cell and hence here called as unicellular. Asexual reproduction in unicellular organism includes following different types. First type here, binary fission. In binary fission, different examples are amoeba, paramecium, euglena. In multiple fission, example amoeba, and budding, example yeast. Binary fission, why the name is given as binary fission? Bi means two and fission means breakdown. In binary fission, the parent organism splits or divides to form two new organisms. As here, two new organisms are formed from parent organism, hence called as binary fission. It occurs either by mitosis or amitosis. It occurs in protist like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, prokaryotic in some bacteria, and eukaryotic cell organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast. Based on the axis of fission, binary fission is divided into the following types. Means how the fission takes place in the organism. Binary fission is divided into different one. Simple binary fission. Name here simple. By simple way, the binary fission takes place in the organism. An example, amoeba. It divides into two body parts. Amoeba divides in any plane due to lack of specific shape. We know amoeba is shapeless animal, hence it is called as simple binary fission. Means in case of amoeba, the fission takes place by any plane due to lack of specific shape, and here the type called as simple binary fission. When the amoeba cell has reached its maximum size of growth, then the first of all nucleus lengthens and divides into two parts. When the complete growth of amoeba occurs, nucleus enlarges its size and divides into two parts. After that, cytoplasm of amoeba divides into two parts, one part around each nucleus. First of all, amoeba enlarges its size, then nucleus divides, and after that cytoplasm divides. In this way, one parent amoeba divides to form two daughter smaller amoebas. Here parent amoeba means earlier existing amoeba and daughter amoebas means newly formed amoebas here. In the figure, central black colored part nucleus, around the nucleus cytoplasm. Parent amoeba enlarges its size, nucleus separates. The division of nucleus occurs first of all. After that, cytoplasm separates, and also there are formation of two different daughter amoebas from parent amoeba, here called as simple binary fission in amoeba. Second type, transverse binary fission. In paramecium, transverse binary fission occurs. Also paramecium, unicellular organism having short thread-like structure called as cilia on its surface. A fully grown paramecium divides its body into two parts to form two smaller paramecium. In this fission, first nucleus divides and then cytoplasm. Observe in the figure, parent paramecium. First of all, nucleus divides and then cytoplasm divides, and from parent paramecium, two daughter parameciums are formed here by transverse section, hence here called as transverse binary fission in paramecium. Third type, longitudinal binary fission. In Euglena, longitudinal binary fission occurs. The fission in this organism takes place at a definite place with respect to flagellum at its end. Flagellum is like whip-like structure. The binary fission is usually occurs during favorable conditions, means availability of abundant food material. Observe in the figure, longitudinal binary fission in Euglena. There is flagellum. Through the flagellum, the dividation of the body takes place. First of all, nucleus divides, then cytoplasm divides, and from single parent Euglena, there is formation of two daughter Euglenas here. Then second type here, multiple fission. Meaning of multi means here many, and fission means breakdown. In amoeba, multiple fission takes place and also in similar other protista. Amoeba stops the formation of pseudopodia and movement in unfavorable condition. Unfavorable condition means here not suitable to organism. Pseudopodia are temporary and cytoplasm filled parts of the cell membrane that are able to change their form in order to move. It is used in movement, means pseudopodia used in movement and as tool to capture the prey. Under unfavorable condition, which is not suitable to the animal like amoebas, under unfavorable conditions, it forms rounded, hard protective covering around plasma membrane called as cister. Many nuclei are formed by repeated nuclear division in the cister. It is followed by cytoplasmic division, and these many amoebules are formed in the cytoplasm. See here, first of all, many nuclei which are formed by repeated nuclear division, and after that cytoplasmic division occurs in amoeba. In cytoplasm, there are large number of or many number of that nuclei are formed here. Under favorable conditions, cyst burst and many amoebulae are released. Observe the figure, parent amoeba, central part nucleus, around nucleus cytoplasm. Then there is formation of cister. Cister is hard protective covering around the cell membrane or plasma membrane, which is formed under unfavorable conditions here. Inside the cytoplasm, inside the cister, there is formation of many numbers of nuclei by repeated nuclear division. After favorable condition, cister burst and many nuclei are released, and there is formation of number of amoebas from parent amoeba. As large number of amoebas are formed here, hence called as multiple fission. Thank you, student.